What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Solana video. Today we're going to be talking about Stabble, which is a new AMM on Solana. We're going to be talking about what it is, what makes it different from the other DEXs and AMMs on Solana, and we're also going to be talking about the airdrop that they have coming up soon, how you can qualify for it, and maximize your eligibility. So to understand what Stabble is, you can read their one page that they have. I'll put the link in the description. They explain some of the inefficiencies that there are with DEXs and the way liquidity pools work right now, and they explain how they solve this for all different kinds of users, like whether it's liquidity providers, traders, or just the DEX itself. So they give some pretty convincing statistics here. You know, they say that 43% of all the TVL, total value locked on Uniswap, is exposed to impermanent loss. They give you this example here of why this is such a problem. You know, say there's a liquidity pool with $600,000 in it, and somebody wants to make a $20,000 swap within that pool, which in the grand scheme of things, a $20,000 swap is not a lot at all. That pool can have a price impact of up to 5%, which just, you know, comparing that to centralized markets, just it can't work, right? We have to do better. Another convincing statistic they put here, it says that, you know, inefficiencies that lead to arbitrage opportunities create an annualized TVL loss of 27% in DEXs. So every year, 27% of liquidity is lost because of people, you know, trying to get arbitrage opportunities off of these smaller pools. So if we go back to the Stabble website, launch the app, we're going to go over to the pool section here. And you'll notice something when you go to deposit an asset. You'll notice that they allow you to deposit a single token and that you don't actually have to deposit 50-50 of both or whatever it is. You know, usually when you deposit money into a liquidity pool, you have to deposit both tokens, right? I have to do Jupe and Sol. But with Stabble, you can get the same APY. I can still get 14% APY with only putting in the single token. You can see they mention it in their one page that they do this with an auto rebalancing. And they actually take your liquidity. So if I'm depositing that Jupe into that liquidity pool, it actually auto rebalances it into multiple liquidity pools to get the most capital efficiency out of it and get me the best APY. All right, so now that we know what Stabble is, we're going to be talking about the airdrop a little bit. So you can see there's 3 different ways to earn points. So you can execute swaps, right? So just making yourself a swap will get you 5 points per USD value equivalent swapped. Depositing liquidity, 50 points per dollar, and then creating a pool and depositing liquidity into that pool will get you 70 points per dollar every day. But the pool needs a minimum of $5,000 TVL, so you need to make sure that the pool has that in it or you won't earn any points on it. So if we go back to the site, we're going to go to swap. I'll just give you guys an example here. So I'm just going to connect my wallet. You can use, you know, your Solana wallet of choice. I'm going to go with Backpack as always. And then it's really cool. You can see here as an example, if I go to make like a 1 Sol swap, it'll tell me right at the bottom how many points I'll get for making that swap. And then after some time, it'll show up here on the top right. There's also referral links and referral earnings. So you can make your own ref link to send to your friends right here at the top. And the way that it works is that you'll get 25% bonus points depending on how much your friend is earning. So say your friend's earning 1,000 points, you'll get 250 points from that, and it won't take anything from their points as well. So if you guys end up using Stabble and you want to support me, use my referral link in the description, and then you can just go ahead and make your own here at the referral section. Yeah, so we're back on the one page. You're getting some information about the token. So they're doing so the token they're going to be dropping is called STB. It's very similar to Curve token. If you guys have ever used like the Curve pools on ETH. So users can buy the STB token and then they can lock it up for a certain period of time and they'll get VSTB, right? So the reason that you'd want to do that is by holding VSTB for a long period of time, you'll get a boosted APY on different assets on Stabble. So say if I lock up my STB token for a year, I can get up to 4.32 times multiplier on my tokens that are on Stabble. Before we end the video off, I will mention that they do have a points booster NFT that they dropped. They weren't selling it. They actually airdropped it to different projects. They dropped it to Saga DAO, Jupiter DAO, and a few other different communities on Solana. But if you are active in the space, definitely check your wallets. You might have one. And if you do, anything you do on Stabble will get 2 times the amount of points just for having this NFT in your wallet. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. I try and keep these as informative and concise as possible, not to waste your guys' time, just give the information quickly. If you guys want to see more Solana tutorials and DeFi videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions about what we talked about in the video today, definitely put them in the comments. I always reply. But yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end. Take care.